Hi friends, Kelsey here with Cloud9 Workshop. We're just talking, I'm making some wheels, but really what I wanted to do was tell you more about our open studio that starts tomorrow for registration for the membership. But also, really I wanted to share with you what it's about. And when you come into the studio, it's really about the intentional time that you're spending with your friends and family, but the intentional time that you've set aside to engage in creative processes or creative projects that make you happy. And also to say that with membership, it's about registering now, May 12th to June 12th, because that helps us get started for the fall. And we need that little boost to get this project that's 11 years in the making underway. And we really would welcome and appreciate your support in doing that. And then the third thing on my list is that I wanted to reassure you that you can cancel anytime, that we realize that if you stood on this, you register now for October, you get 2 weeks in September included as our soft start. And if it turns out this doesn't work in your family, for your family or for you, it's okay, and you can totally cancel and you've only paid for October. So really, we don't want it to be stressful. We want it to be fun, creative fun for you and your whole family. So please join us. I'm gonna just try this out. We're gonna push this and then hopefully not crack it like that.